Hello, I'm Dr. Eco Freako. Now, before the federal election of 2022, Anthony, nice and easy, promised to introduce a bill to reform Australia's old and ailing environmental laws, which he called nature positive, after the initiative, the international initiative, the Nature Positive Initiative. But it never happened during his entire 3 years as Prime Minister. For the first year, he spent his time arguing for the failed voice referendum, and for the remainder of his Prime Ministership, 2 years, he was fast asleep. While he was asleep, Tanya Plibersek got the Nature Positive Bill through the House of Representatives and negotiated with the Greens and Independents to get it passed through the Senate. Things were looking really good for a while for Nature Positive. But then Roger Crook got on the phone and he rang nice and easy and said, "Kill the bill, because it will hurt my chance of being re-elected as Premier of Western Australia." And on top of that, Gina Rinehart contacted nice and easy and said it would hurt her profits, and the Mineral Council of Australia threatened the Albanese government with a media blitz unless they stopped the bill. So, nice and easy weighed up the pros and cons of the environment or Gina and Roger's dilemma. And guess who won? You guessed it, Gina and Roger. They killed the bill. Nature Positive would have introduced a data gathering body to monitor the state of the environment, and it would have introduced an environmental protection authority with the power to enforce the environmental laws. But weak leadership, self-serving actions from Roger and Gina over here made sure the bill never got passed. That's thanks to nice and easy on Gina and Roger, but not so nice and easy on the environment.